We'll guide you through how to make mask transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips into the project panel. After the clips are imported, place both clips in the timeline and make sure clip 1 is positioned above clip 2 so it covers the second clip at the start. Once the layers are arranged, select clip 1 in the timeline. Choose the pen tool or rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a mask directly on clip 1 in the composition window. After creating the mask, press M on the keyboard to open the mask path property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to mask path so the mask can be animated over time. Move the playhead forward to the point where you want the transition to progress. Then change the mask shape or position by adjusting its points or moving it across the frame. This creates a second keyframe automatically and starts the animation. As the mask moves or changes shape, it gradually reveals clip 2 underneath clip 1, creating a custom transition effect. Continue adjusting the mask path so the reveal flows smoothly across the screen. After that, adjust the mask feather value to soften the edges of the mask. This helps the transition look smoother and more natural instead of having sharp edges. Increase the feather amount until the blend between both clips looks clean. Once the animation is set, preview the result by playing the timeline from the start of the transition. Watch carefully to ensure the mask moves correctly, reveals clip 2 at the right time, and the feather creates a smooth blend. Adjust the timing by moving keyframes closer or farther apart if needed to control the speed of the transition. Make sure the animation feels balanced and matches the flow of your video. After everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check your output settings if necessary. Then click Render to export the final video.